morning from sunny Alicante. So yesterday I was picked up by these two and we headed back to your apartment and we had a lovely dinner on the rooftop overlooking the sunset, and now we're out on a morning walk. It's quite warm and later today we're heading out to explore. We're going to the Algar waterfalls and the coastal town of Altea.
Yes.
So yeah, we're excited.
We look forward to it.
Yay!
Got to say the most important thing. We're in Costa.
Yeah, great, because I can't pronounce that, so now you know that too. So we've arrived at Algar waterfalls and we're heading to lunch. So now lunch is finished and we're heading to the waterfall. I can hear it.
Me too.
From a distance. Yeah. You ready?
Yes.
Yeah, it's supposed to be very cold, so we're bracing ourselves here. Okay.
Första.
Okay. Very cold.
I've never seen anything like it.
No.
It's very romantic. I would go here on a romantic wedding holiday.
Okay, so remember, if you're a student, it costs €4 to get in here, so that's great.
Estudiante.
Yeah, that's a Spanish word. And bring cash, because they were a bit funny about taking cards. And go to the highest point, because it's not a lot of people up here.
And also the most swimming friendly. It's
Yeah.
like a bit more rocky down there.
And the water is very, very clear, so yeah, it's really nice. So we're leaving the waterfall now, and summarize, it gets a 10 out of 10. So it's been a really nice time here, and we're heading to the town of Altea. So we'll see you there. Yeah! We have arrived in Altea and we are heading up to the church, and it feels quite Greek here, one would say. So yeah, we'll meet you at the top. So we're at the viewpoint now, and It feels like Greece up here, and it's a great view.
I feel like I'm in a scene of Mamma Mia,
Yeah,
actually. It's really
yeah, it's really beautiful, and this coastline is amazing.